This is the tutorial on how to create a graph with feature of sparklines. So on this opportunity, I would like to I want to show you the tutorial about cool features on Microsoft Excel. So if you need a report or you need a team of sales to create a report, or you need a value to report a value from Microsoft Excel. So you can use the graph of sparklines graph. So here I have data about sales name from January until June, and then sale trend. Okay, so we need to know about the total of sales here. Here you need to click the cells on sales trend here on H2, and then insert. Okay, click insert on the tab menu, and you need to search about sparklines here. You can see on your screen this is sparklines, and there are many choices about line, column, win or loss, and then click line, and the dialog will be appeared here. Create sparklines. So you need to block the from B2 until G2, because we need to know about the H2 from the sales trend of sales name Andy. And then click OK, and the trend of sales from Andy will appear on this. It's about sparklines or a line graph. Okay, so if you need to click here from if you need a change on one of many cells here, so the graph will change automatically without creating again. And then you need to drag down to copy the graph here, and the other cell trend will automatically appear without creating one by one. That's about sparkline. Okay, we need to click sparkline if you want to format the graph. For example, to make a change on graph about color, or this is based on your needs. Okay, and also you can change from line graph into the bar chart. Okay, or column. Yes, the bar chart here is about the sales trend from the line graph that you create from sparklines. So the graph will automatically follow the value that you input on your data. That's enough the tutorial on how to make a graph with sparklines feature. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon, and bye bye.